Hey, y'all is your animals pooping?
Yeah.
And are you eating it?
Yellow one.
This is a yellow one.
Candy. Candy.
Is it candy or is it poopy?
Candy. Candy.
Good.
Hey, Rylan, you eating monkey poopy?
Hey, Clemmy, is that good? Hey, Rylan, can you make your monkey poop?
Whoa!
1, 2, 3.
Happy Easter.
You say some happy